Welcome to a world where artistry, technology, and sound come together to create something truly extraordinary. Today, we're giving you an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of one of the most luxurious recording studios, where top-tier equipment, world-class talent, and an inspiring atmosphere combine to craft the perfect sound. If you've ever wondered what it takes to make a hit record, this is a place to find out. Whether you're an up-and-coming artist or a well-established name in the industry, this studio is designed to bring your music to life like never before. Every corner of this space is meticulously designed to help you capture every nuance of your sound, giving you access to the kind of equipment and expertise that will elevate your project to the highest standard. Let's start by talking about the gear, because let's face it, great music begins with great tools. One of the standout features of this studio is the Neumann U87 microphone. For decades, this iconic mic has been the go-to choice for some of the biggest names in music, thanks to its unparalleled clarity, warmth, and versatility. It's the kind of microphone that ensures your voice sounds as rich and full as possible, whether you're singing a delicate ballad or belting out a powerful anthem. The U87 captures every detail, from the softest whisper to the most powerful note, making it perfect for everything from vocal recordings to voiceovers. But that's just the beginning. The studio is equipped with a custom analog mixing console, a true masterpiece that adds depth, character, and warmth to every track. For those who love the analog sound, this console is a key part of the recording experience. Analog warmth is what makes a recording feel alive, and the ability to dial in subtle tonal changes gives you the flexibility to perfect every aspect of your music. Whether you're recording a full band or layering vocals, this console allows you to craft a sound that's rich and dynamic. And when it comes to digital recording, we haven't cut any corners. This studio features cutting-edge digital workstations that provide the precision and flexibility needed to take your sound to the next level. With the ability to handle complex compositions, multi-track recordings, and live mixing with ease, these systems ensure that you have total control over every element of your project. Whether you're composing an intricate arrangement or fine-tuning the tiniest detail, these workstations are built to give you the precision you need to make your music truly shine. But gear isn't everything. Great music is about the people who help bring it to life. That's why we've assembled a team of world-class engineers and producers who are not just technically skilled, but are passionate about crafting exceptional sound. Our team is made up of professionals who have worked with award-winning artists across a wide range of genres: pop, rock, hip-hop, jazz, classical, and beyond. These are the people who know how to take your vision and turn it into something unforgettable. As you can see, the engineers don't just sit behind a console. They're hands-on, making real-time adjustments, tweaking the levels, applying effects, and fine-tuning every sound until it's perfect. They understand that it's not just about getting the right technical mix. It's about capturing the soul of the music. Whether it's vocal harmonies, the perfect snare hit, or the right EQ setting, our team's expertise ensures that your music will sound its absolute best. But it's not just the technical side of things that makes this studio special. It's the environment. We understand that creativity thrives in the right atmosphere, which is why we've designed the space to be both luxurious and functional. The acoustics have been meticulously engineered to ensure that every sound is captured with crystal-clear precision. Every recording booth is treated for perfect sound isolation, so you can record without any distractions. Whether you're laying down vocals, tracking instruments, or mixing the final cut, you'll feel the difference in the quality of sound. As you move through the studio, you'll notice the attention to detail in every corner. The comfortable, stylish lounge areas are designed to foster collaboration and relaxation, while the main control room is equipped with panoramic windows that allow you to interact with the engineers while staying fully immersed in the process. There's a seamless blend of luxury and functionality throughout the studio, which helps create an environment where you can focus on making great music without worrying about anything else. Let's not forget the incredible instruments available for your sessions. In addition to the premium recording equipment, this studio offers an exclusive selection of high-end instruments, including vintage synthesizers, custom-made guitars, and rare pianos that have been used on some of the most iconic albums in history. These instruments are not just tools. They're a part of the creative process, and they allow you to achieve sounds that would be impossible to replicate anywhere else. Whether you're looking for a unique synthesizer sound, a pristine acoustic guitar tone, or a rich, warm piano, these instruments provide the perfect foundation for your recording. Of course, the studio is also fully equipped for other types of projects, whether you're working on a film score, a commercial jingle, or a podcast. The versatility of the space means that no matter what your project requires, we've got the equipment and the expertise to handle it. Whether you're recording a full orchestra or a solo artist, this space adapts to your needs, offering the flexibility to capture every type of sound in perfect quality. But beyond the equipment and expertise, what truly sets the studio apart is the experience. The level of service we offer is second to none. From the moment you walk through the door, you'll feel like a VIP. Our team is dedicated to making sure every session runs smoothly, from setting up the gear to helping you with any creative decisions along the way. Whether you need assistance with a particular piece of equipment, creative input on a track, or just a comfortable place to relax between takes, we've got you covered. Let's move on to the instruments. Music is not just about recording, it's about playing, experimenting, and creating. And when it comes to instruments, this studio spares no expense. In addition to the premium microphones and mixing consoles, the studio offers a curated collection of rare and vintage instruments that have been used on some of the most iconic recordings in music history. From custom-built guitars to classic synthesizers, these instruments provide a sound that simply can't be replicated by mass-produced models. Whether you're looking for the perfect guitar tone for a rock anthem or an ethereal synth line for an electronic track, you'll find it here. Closing scene. A sweeping shot of the studio space with clients and engineers working, followed by a contact form with a clear call to action. When you step into the studio, you're stepping into a world of limitless possibilities. Whether you're recording your next big album, working on a commercial project, or creating a podcast, this is a place where your sound will come to life in ways you never imagined. Don't settle for anything less than perfection. Book your session today and experience the best in music production, where luxury, technology, and talent converge to create something extraordinary. To resume, welcome to a recording experience like no other, where cutting-edge technology, expert engineers, and a luxurious atmosphere come together to create the ultimate sound. Our studio features iconic equipment like the Newman U87 microphone and custom analog mixing consoles, ensuring your music is captured with unmatched precision and warmth. With a curated selection of rare, vintage instruments and state-of-the-art digital workstations, we offer everything you need to create the perfect sound, whether it's for an album, film score, or commercial. But it's not just about the gear, it's about the team. Our award-winning producers and engineers work hand in hand with you, bringing your artistic vision to life with expert care and attention to detail. The studio's acoustically optimized rooms and luxurious amenities create the perfect environment for creativity to flow, giving you the ideal space to create your next masterpiece. This is where your music will not only sound incredible, it will resonate with listeners on a deeper level. Book your session today and experience the best in professional music production.